In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Ecwid theme. Whether you're looking to refresh your online store's appearance or adjust its layout to better suit your products, changing your theme in Ecwid can make a significant difference. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently update your store's look and feel. First, we need to start at the very beginning, which means logging into your Ecwid account. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.ecwid.com, which is the official website for Ecwid. Once the page has loaded, look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now you will see various options for logging in. For a quick and seamless process, let's use the Sign In with Google option, a convenient choice if you have your store associated with a Google account. Click on this option and move forward. After clicking on Sign In with Google, Google will prompt you to select the account you want to use. Make sure you choose the Google account that is associated with your Ecwid store. Once you've selected the correct account, you'll be directed back to Ecwid, this time inside your admin panel. Within the Ecwid control panel, your next move is to navigate to where you can make changes to your website. Hover your cursor over the Website tab on the left sidebar. This will expand to show more options. Look for and click on the Overview section. Upon clicking Overview, you'll find an Edit Site button. This button is your gateway to customizing your Ecwid store's appearance, including changing the theme. Clicking Edit Site will take you directly to the website editor, where all the magic happens. Inside the website editor, your attention should now turn to the Settings. Locate and click on the Settings option, which will lead you to various aspects of your website that can be customized or adjusted. Within the settings, you'll find the Templates menu. This is where Ecwid houses all the available themes you can choose from. Click on Templates to continue. Now you're presented with a collection of themes, each with its unique layout and design style. Take your time to browse through the available themes. Preview them if you must, to ensure that your selected theme aligns with your brand's identity and the visual appeal you aim for your online store. Once you've landed on a theme that speaks to your vision, go ahead and select it. With a theme selected, the changes will not apply until you confirm and save your selection. So, take a moment to review your choice, ensuring it's exactly what you want. If you're happy with the new theme, confirm your selection to apply the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully changed your Ecwid theme. This change will instantly reflect on your online store, giving it a fresh look and potentially improving the user experience for your customers. Feel free to explore other customization options within the Ecwid editor to further tailor your store's appearance to match your needs. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips to consider when selecting a new theme. Always keep your brand and product type in mind. Certain themes might complement your products better than others. Additionally, think about your customers. Opt for a user-friendly theme that makes navigation and purchasing straightforward. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. Ecwid makes it easy to switch themes, so you can always change your mind if a theme doesn't work out as expected. That's all for today's tutorial on changing your Ecwid theme. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in updating your online store's appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your Ecwid store.